lighting enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to add a touch of magic to your space, curtain lights are the way to go. Today, we've got a detailed and easy step-by-step guide on how to hang curtain lights to create a stunning display that will elevate any room. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a first-timer, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Gather your supplies. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need curtain lights, a power source, extension cords, adhesive hooks, zip ties, and measuring tape. Ensure your lights are in good working condition before you start the installation process. 2. Measure your space. Before you start hanging your curtain lights, measure the space where you want them to go. This will help you determine the length of lights needed and the placement for the most visually appealing display. 3. Install adhesive hooks. To create a seamless and secure display, install adhesive hooks along the top edge of the area where your curtain lights will hang. Make sure the hooks are evenly spaced and aligned for a polished look. 4. Hang the curtain lights. Now comes the fun part, hanging the lights. Start by attaching the curtain lights to the adhesive hooks. Begin from one end and work your way across, ensuring the lights are evenly distributed for a balanced and beautiful display. 5. Conceal cords and extension cords. To maintain a neat and professional look, conceal the cords along the edges of your space. Use zip ties or adhesive clips to secure the cords to walls or furniture. If you're using extension cords, hide them discreetly along baseboards or under rugs to minimize visibility. 6. Test your display. Before you step back to admire your handiwork, test your display to ensure all lights are functioning correctly. This step is crucial for troubleshooting and making any necessary adjustments before your final reveal. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to hang curtain lights for a stunning display. Whether you're decorating for a special occasion or simply enhancing your everyday space, these tips will help you achieve a magical and captivating look. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lighting inspiration.